Hey girl, it's Riz, and I'm going to show you how I keep my hair healthy, going from this to this with the Main Choice Healthy Hair Care Regimen Boosting Kit. This is a collection of uniquely developed products formulated with a high concentration of strengthening, hydrating, and restorative ingredients designed to enhance the health of your hair by preventing and repairing damage. So let's go ahead and get started. Step 1. Apply the mocha and molasses anti-shedding remedy to dry, uncleansed hair. This is an innovative, highly effective, one-of-a-kind treatment designed to minimize shedding instantly, girl. It's also a natural source of vitamins and minerals that strengthens hair drastically to reduce breakage. Apply a plastic cap and leave on for up to 30 minutes. Step 2. Rinse it out and thoroughly cleanse your hair with your favorite shampoo. Step 3. Spray sea kelp and feverfew herb rehydration therapy and massage it into your scalp. This is a highly concentrated dose of hydration designed to deeply restore hydration and add softness. It also protects hair from hard water to allow for maximum penetration. Step 4. Apply the silk amino acid and keratin reconstructor treatment in place of your deep conditioner. Now this is a high quality concentrated shot of gentle yet highly effective protein blend formulated to help repair and restore damaged hair. It's also designed to help prevent damage from daily wear and tear, color/chemical treatments, environmental, heat, and mechanical damage. It reconstructs hair from the inside out and fortifies weak, limp hair, girl. Now, I know I'm not the only one who sees how hydrated, moisturized, and tangle-free my hair is. Okay, pause. This is a triglyceride and mint scalp renewal, and yes, it does come included in the kit. I just opted not to use it. However, if you have a dry, itchy, flaky scalp, then this product is perfect for you. We all know that a healthy scalp promotes healthy hair, and this scalp renewal is formulated to dissolve residual debris and minimize dryness, flaking, and itching. It's a therapeutic scalp remedy that helps to renew the scalp to promote maximum scalp health. Alright, now back to the routine. The last and final step in my healthy hair care regimen is to just style my hair per usual. And if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I pretty much only do wash and goes. And because I've done 1,000,002 wash and go tutorials here on my channel, we're just gonna sit back, relax, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the show. So that's pretty much it, you guys. This is how I maintain healthy hair using the Main Choice Healthy Hair Regimen Boosting Kit. You can pick yours up at www.themainchoice.com, or you can find it in your local Walgreens. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Follow The Main Choice on Instagram at The Main Choice, and make sure you follow your girl on Instagram at the Lorissa Nelson, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.